Can we teach our sons and daughters to be strong and interdependent rather than codependent? I think so many of our current issues have to do with humans feeling too traumatized to partner up or have trusting relationships. At least that's what I'm seeing a lot of. And I can boil it back down to, several generations of disillusion, dissolving, degradation. Seems like the family unit has fallen apart or dissolved. And in that, even the family units I see, there's this real thread of dysfunction and codependence and trauma bonding happening. What do you think? You seeing the same thing? Got any ideas for solutions? Because I think we need to put them on the table.